Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be reviewing The Sound of Freedom, a film starring Q-Nut Jim Caviezel, who played Jesus Christ in The Passion of the Christ.
First of all, I've seen this film 20 times already, and it's the greatest film I have ever seen. This film is the best film ever made. This film has to win every Oscar, every Emmy, every Tony ever. Has to win every award. No film is better than this. No film has ever been greater than this one. The greatest film of all time.
I agree. Ladies and gentlemen, the liberal media doesn't want you to see this great, wonderful film because it has too much truth in it. I think you have to be over 60 years old to watch this film. It's mega approved and based on a true story. Mission Impossible is more of a true story than The Sound of Freedom.
How dare you! I cried in the scene when he gave up his pension to fight the liberal demons.
He had one more minute and he would have gotten all his pension if he would have stayed at his job. One more minute, but he gave it up to fight the liberal demons.
I'm crying right now thinking about it.
He gave up his pension to fight the liberal demons. That scene makes me cry every time I think about it.
My other favorite part, when Jim the Weasel comes out at the end credits and tells you how brave they were to make this film, how they had to fight all the liberal demons to make this beautiful film. All the odds were against them. And how you can be brave also by passing it forward and buying tickets for someone.
I sobbed in that part. I sobbed. I paid it forward already. I used my cryptocurrency and my put-in NFTs and my rubles, and I paid it forward. Wait a second. Wasn't Jim the Weasel in Pay It Forward with Kevin Spacey? Oh dear.
How dare you mention Jim Caviezel and Kevin Spacey in the same breath?
Kevin Spacey and Jim the Weasel in the same movie. Pay it forward, and then he says pay it forward at the end. Oh dear. This is a conspiracy. How dare you? Don't say that. I'm the one that does the conspiracies.
If you don't watch this film, you're woke, liberal, commie, leftist that hates America.
Stop it with that nonsense. Stop it. If you don't watch this movie, you will not go to heaven. You will not, I repeat, you will not go to heaven. Stop it. Robots have no soul, so you won't be going to heaven. But my heart is made of gold.
Gold is no good. Silver, cryptocurrency, put-in NFTs, and rubles. That's where the real money is.
I'm tired of your lies. Fake news.
Fake news.
And we're tired of your woke, leftist, liberal agenda, deep state, government, manifesto. I'm done with both of you. Fake news.
If you like cartoons, movies, books, music, I demand you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, be prepared for doom. Subscribe or be prepared for doom. Do not resist. Subscribe.